Lincoln, what are you doing?
I don't know. It's in a twist. And it twists.
You're gonna twist?
Yeah, it's a twist. But it won't hurt.
I hope not. Won't it be fun?
Yeah. Now let go. No, not yet. Now yet.
Oh dear. Wow, how did that feel? Lincoln, look at mommy.
What?
How was that?
Yeah.
Fun? Oh, you okay?
Yeah. You are okay. You have your helmet on. I don't want my helmet on. Then you'll get hurt.
Give me thumbs up, Lincoln. Are you okay?
Thumbs up.
You okay? Give me thumbs up if you're okay. Fixing your hair.
Okay. Okay.
Lincoln, thumbs up if you're okay.
Okay.
Oh, climbing back in for more?